Hi guys, so our story today is called Bear Snores On. In a cave in the woods in his deep dark lair through the long cold winter sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day and he sleeps through the night. The cold wind howls and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-patter, tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare pops in. "Oh, Mouse," said Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white popcorn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps, Hare burps big burps, but the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniff snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps you can share?" "I've brought honey nuts," Badger said with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down and dig in." They nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch, but the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor, then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night, what a storm," twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire and Mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper flake makes the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. I don't know, do you think the bear's gonna be happy that he got woken up? Let's see. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls and he roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. He growls and he grumbles. Does he look happy or does he look a little mad? He's a little mad. "You've snuck in my lair and you've had all fun, but me, I was sleeping, and I have had none." He whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans. Then the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look, see, we can pop more corn and we can brew more tea." Bear gulps and bear gobbles, he sighs with delight, and then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear day, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. The end.